Hey, it's Mike with Fast Track Automall. Look at it, there's our sign right there. Anyways, we got a nice one. It's a 94 Mazda Miata convertible. It's an MX-5. It's got 120,000 miles for the year. So, well taken care of. You shall see for yourself, huh? Let's start her up. Get a chance to take a look at this. Opened up, it's even better. But I mean, very well taken care of. You know, customized nicely, but professionally. Top's in great position. You know, some people like it, some people don't. Who cares? If you don't like it, well, that's great. You know what I mean? But if you do like it, then it's done. This is not a project by any stretch of the imagination. This is completed. This is you rolling and it being done and you cooking. Let's see. I like it. It's classic from the 90s, you know, kept alive. All right, let's go take a look at her opened up. Base. Nice little setup, clean, organized. Not in a shorter Rama setup. Hey, look at that. Nice setup. So let's check her out opened up. Real nice setup for the front. You got fog lights under there as well. You can tell the time that was taken to keep this thing clean and in order. A few customizations here and there. Cabling. Fluids in order. Let's just listen to her purr. She wants to go. Trucks are in a great place. And the tires have a nice spacer out and spacer up so that we don't have to worry about meat shaving that wheel well, right? So we're going to get a little bit of both worlds, and the rims on here are pretty nice. I like the blue matching caliper, that's handy, right? And the tires, they got enough meat for a few seasons. Yeah, little tiny nick. Little tiny guy. But hey, whatever. Won't picky patty your way out of a car. Picky patty your way out, you know? Let's look at the door. The one finger puller, right there, you know? Key entry, like that. Little pouch bag in there. Manual. Does it work? Amazing. It does work. Look at that. It can never not work. So we got the recline here, and we are to the back. So, you know, maybe you got like another small hair. But you know, you're in here tight. She is a manual, so you need to learn a little bit here and there. I wonder what this magic button is. We'll figure that out, I'll tell you. We got our lights, and I know we got noises, whatever, it's letting us know. And then also, I like this one, the top's down. You're gonna have these guys, and this is the cover for the back. So when you pull the top off completely, now you got a like nice cover for it. So there's two cup holders here, and there's another little cup holder that kind of expands and comes out over here. We got a light over here for the interior, lockable glove box, and this nice Bluetooth radio in here that'll do auto connect. I am eyeballing this thing. I will figure it out during the time of this video. No AC for the moment, but there will be. So I'm gonna keep that one in mind. And nice wide window here for backwards, you know, looking back. I like that. That helps. It's handy, you know. Services, manufacturings, and let's take a look. Now steady on the pressure. All right. 121 on the miles, 1.21 gigawatts, you know. There's your hood pull right there. All right. And you got a little bass control. So we'll figure that one out here in a minute. And again, she's nice stick. Up, left, up is reverse, and then then you got your gears. Come on, Nelly. You can do it. Come on. Okay. The camera gets goofy sometimes. Anyways, continuing to look. Rear fender. You know, for a rear, those tires are keeping pretty good as well. And again, I mean, find me a nugget of rust. You know, well taken care of. What is that, an 8? Is that an 8 or a 10? Could be, thinks it's a 10. Nice box. We'll get that cooking in a minute. And you got dual exhaust on this thing. Again, you can see the, you know, the spacing here between being able to do that, but still keeping everything together. Maybe you like these, maybe you don't, you know. It's one rubber wheel. You get a rubber wheel on a drill, fine. Or keep it, you know. It's kind of a cool setup. Is Woody Woodpecker. You know, that guy. All right, so anyways, that's it. We need to go in the glove box to search for secret super Sumanji stuff. I mean, the door looks great. All right. Let's go sit inside. Anyways, you know, doing this isn't too bad. All you have to do is go to pair a new device on your phone. When you turn the radio on, it'll have connected application kicking in. The name is MVHS 220 Bluetooth pairing. It gives me a code, and all right, do the code match? Great, pair it. All right, and we're pairing. We pairing? So you had to like make sure to match this up in SRC to Bluetooth, then it was done, right? Fine. So now we connected the dots. Let's listen to a little music. So bass the root of this. This is even without the bass amp. I'm gonna bring it up to 20. Okay, now we got bass control. Not bad, not bad. Let's leave her in here. We'll give her an appropriate amount of bass. Bass! Bass! You know what? It's good. I mean, if you wanted to blow somebody out of there, blow them out of there, you could with the speaker if you wanted, right? But you know, like I'm a little distance from it, it's good enough to juice you in your head without juicing the whole neighborhood. So it's up to you, you know? It's you choose or not. Nice response out here, you know? All right, let's do the top. Push this guy. There he is. Push this guy, pull her back. And I like that mechanical clip. That's clean compared to some of the fun that I've seen. Pull that back, boom, easy, right? And bring this back. What do I gotta do? I gotta do something? Yeah, that was it. I gotta push it. Let me bring this down real quick. We don't need to be hearing all that. We're trying to focus on the top here. All right, top's back. Now, you know what? Let me move this thing because I don't want to cause any problems. And bring her all the way down. Okay, so, you know, obviously it would go down a little bit better without this being in here and being in the trunk, but that's fine, you know? Let's take a look at it with the top off. It's just nice. Nice little blue rocket. We traded a red rocket for a blue rocket. But it's a rocket nonetheless. A rocket with less miles. It's just a nice clean setup. Some people can't see the allure of a 90s or a 22,000 or 2010 car, you know. It must have new. You know, it must have new, lane assist, you, this, that, the other, whatever, you know what I mean? We got a 635 program with Westlake, so if your credit's decent, you paid your bills, hey, then you can get into a car like this, and, you know, I mean, I don't know about you, but pretty sure the reliability is off the charts if you were compared against many modern cars. So you can see a long lifetime out of this, especially with 120 on it. You know what I mean? And then you don't have to go like full on boat into the bank. And we don't have it's not a project. You know what I mean? You walk into it, driving, done. So anyways, I think that's a fun one. It's a Mazda Miata 94 MX-5 convertible. All right, come down to Fast Track. Let's show the side. It's a Fast Track Auto Mall. High quality, low prices. It's us. Look right there. Fast Track. All right, see you soon. Let's put this top up for shits and giggles. Is it a one-man handed plan? You know what I mean? That's not bad. That's pretty quick, right? All right, let's go see. Oh, what do we got going on there? So bring her down. All right, we brought the visor down. Bring that forward. And it's nice because you know what? It's loose, but it clips easy. 2. Come on, it doesn't get any better than that. I've had some where you have to hold the top from the front